There is a little seed that has more protein than eggs. Therefore, if you believe that eggs are the best source of protein, you have been duped. Compared to eggs, it has more vitamins and minerals and is easier to digest. Additionally, this seed gives many people more energy and less cravings. However, this is an issue. The majority of individuals are either unaware of this seed or are using it incorrectly. They are unable to observe the outcomes because of this. Eggs are undoubtedly healthful, but for some people, they may cause unsettled stomachs or worsen inflammation. Additionally, their cholesterol levels may rise due to the cholesterol in eggs. People are searching for alternatives because of this, yet this little seed has more protein than eggs. Additionally, it is simpler to digest and contains no cholesterol. Instead, it contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids that will raise your body's levels of good cholesterol. I'm referring to hemp seeds here. But let me tell you this before you swipe away, assuming you are already familiar with hemp seeds. The majority of individuals don't see any benefits since they are not using hemp seeds properly. In order to make these hemp seeds a healthy source of protein for your body, I will explain how to use them in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Health Angel Solutions. Since protein is one of the vital nutrients for our bodies, everyone is currently discussing why protein matters. It controls our metabolism in addition to aiding in muscular growth. It controls both our hormones and the enzymes that your body uses for cleansing. Additionally, eating less protein than is ideal might result in weight gain, low energy, thyroid disorders, and other hormonal problems. Additionally, your body isn't functioning at its best. Therefore, protein is simply not about gaining muscle. It has to do with becoming healthy. Not all proteins are made equal, which is an intriguing truth that the majority of people are unaware of. Thus, eating the proper protein is crucial. Nowadays, the majority of people get their protein from eggs. Eggs do include a healthy quantity of protein and are a complete protein, but, as I mentioned before, they have several drawbacks. Hemp seeds versus eggs. Dairy and eggs are cross-reactive. Therefore, many people today are unable to effectively digest eggs. In fact, it may result in inflammation of the intestines. They also have elevated cholesterol. Hemp seeds are therefore an excellent substitute for eggs in this situation. One egg contains only 6 to 7 grams of protein, whereas 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain 10 grams. Additionally, hemp seeds are a full source of protein and are simpler for your body to absorb and digest. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are also abundant in hemp seeds. These fatty acids are beneficial. Iron, zinc, and magnesium are the best mineral boost. In particular, it has a healthy ratio of omega-3 to omega-6, which your body need. Additionally, they contain significant levels of iron, magnesium, zinc, and potassium, minerals that are vital for optimal bodily function. Additionally, they are a wonderful source of fiber, which enhances intestinal health and functions as a prebiotic. As you shall see, hemp seeds are far more beneficial to your health than eggs. Join our diabetes health community and take control of your health with confidence. By hitting subscribe and like, you'll receive daily, easy-to-follow health solutions focused on blood sugar control, healthy habits, and long-term wellness. Stay informed, stay empowered, and move toward a healthier, more balanced life, one smart step at a time. However, these are the most frequent errors I observe individuals making when consuming hemp seeds. First of all, they don't perceive any change because they don't use enough hemp seeds each day. Secondly, people are consuming processed hemp seeds, which contain a lot of toxins and, once more, cause more harm than good to their bodies. Additionally, they are using it at the incorrect time of day. Okay, so let's start by discussing the recommended daily intake of hemp seeds. Therefore, you should start with 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds and consume 3 tablespoons to achieve the most advantage of how much to eat. After allowing your body to adjust, gradually increase the amount of hemp seeds to 3 tablespoons. Let's now discuss the ideal variety of hemp seeds. To begin with, there are 3 best forms of hemp seeds. One is the entire hemp seed, which includes the shell. The second is hemp hearts, which are hulled hemp seeds that are devoid of a shell. They are easy to consume and softer. The hemp protein powder comes in third, of course. The next query is whether hemp seeds should be toasted or eaten raw. First of all, because hemp hearts contain all of the protein and omegas, they are quite effective for the majority of people. Additionally, they are simpler to digest. Thus, hemp hearts are very effective for the majority of my patients. However, you can also consume entire hemp seeds if you require an additional fiber boost. The question of whether you should eat them raw or roasted actually relies entirely on your taste preferences because roasting them gives them a little nutty flavor. Therefore, roasting them could be a fantastic choice if you intend to use them in your yogurt bowls, salads, or smoothies. However, some of the omega-3s in them are destroyed if they are roasted at high temperatures. Therefore, the raw hemp hearts provide you with all the benefits if you want to get the most out of them. The ideal time to eat. The next question is what time of day is ideal for consuming them? I suggest using them first thing in the morning because your body needs all the amino acids it requires and the biggest burst of protein to start the day. You can therefore incorporate them into your smoothies in the morning. You can sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal if you're using it. You can also place them on top of them if you are preparing a dish of yogurt and chia seeds. If not, you can just use hemp protein powder as a morning protein smoothie. Before I go, let me give you one more crucial storage tip. Keep your hemp seeds refrigerated at all times. If you leave them outside, especially in hot weather, they will go rancid and lose their omega-3 fatty acids. Now, what to anticipate once your hemp seeds are planted? Since they operate extremely gently in your body, you won't notice any difference on the first day of what results to expect. You will therefore notice a decrease in your sugar cravings after using them regularly for more than a week. Your body will feel more energized and your digestive system ought to become better. So now I'd want to share with you this little seed that has enormous health benefits. It can greatly improve your health since it contains the proper amount of protein in the optimal form that your stomach can absorb. So, try them out today and see what you think. In order to continue receiving this kind of health information in the future, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You should also share this video with others who might find it useful. Be careful until the next time. Goodbye.